Yeah, yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with them chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my apron, I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in the kitchen. So we have some gator right here. We'll go ahead and put it together. We're gonna have some gator, fish and chips. So stay tuned to this wonderful video. I hope you enjoy. I hope all my good family and friends enjoy. Okay, so here go the gator right here. Rinsed it real good, cleaned it up. Let it soak in a little bit of vinegar and water. Just a cool rinse. And there go our fish right there, our tilapia. Okay, so we're gonna make our little marinade. We're gonna let that gator meat marinate for a couple hours. So we're gonna start with some buttermilk. Some oyster sauce. Some hot sauce. I'm using sriracha. Put some chopped up peppers in my sriracha sauce. Now we'll go ahead and place our gator meat in there. You know, like nice and clean both sides. So that's how we looking. We'll go ahead and wrap this up. Throw it in the refrigerator. And I'll see y'all in a couple hours. Okay, so here we go right here. 3 hours later. We have our all-purpose flour. Now we go ahead with some of this Cajun seasoning. Just left your mama. Same thing with the marinade. So I'm gonna slap your mama. Some garlic powder. Same thing. Garlic powder. And some of this lemon pepper seasoning. There we go. So we finished with the seasoning. Now we're gonna crack 2 eggs. Boom. Mix all that in. Now we go double. We go double up on it. Oil. We go, get it like that. Give it a nice little cover it up. Pull it out. And we're gonna throw it back in there one more time. Alright, so we're gonna double up on it. Okay, so yeah, we ready. Yes, sir. We is ready. Okay, let's leave that boy dry. Get my wrap ready. Okay. You know they down when they start floating to the top. They're down floating to the top. Right? And it's gonna be crunchy. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen. And it's good kitchen. I don't want to put the fries on there. It's all about the fish and the gator. That's how we're looking right there. I done did my thing with that gator. We have our little dip sauce. You know. Have our lemon. Your boy done made it happen. Cool little video for the family and friends. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.